I'm going to replace the driver's side visor because somebody, whoever had this car before me, like, I don't know, had a bad day. It's just like, God, like we've all had those kind of days. But that's weird, and the light's like, oh, there it's on, look at that. But it's like light optional. So anyway, we're gonna replace that. I got one from a junkyard here, and this should be pretty straightforward. I believe all we've got to do is get this little cover off, and I think there's 3 screws under there, and just swap it out. So let's give this a whirl. All right, so first step is I pulled this thing all the way back, right? Did that, whatever, go gadget deal. And on this side, if I can show it, can we see it? Can we see it? There's a little tab up in there. There we go, you can see it there. To pry that off of there, and that's our game plan. Get that popped off there, and then we'll see kind of where we're at and what we got here. All right, so I got this off here. Pretty easy, actually. I was able to pry it off with just my thumb. And then this is split here, so you can pop that off there. There we go, put that piece off there. And then my new, to me, came with one, so you know, hey, if you break it, 2 chances, so it's not all bad. And then up in here are gonna be your 3 T15 screws. So we'll get those out of there and then see where we're at. All right, so got those off, pretty easy peasy. And then our electrical is just gonna pop off here, and then we'll swap it out, and then all gets pushed back up in the hole and button it up. And I think we'll be back in business. So good news, this might be actually an easy job. All right, just FYI, this is one of those old school tabs that breaks when you look at it. I got lucky by just prying up there and getting it to come loose. But I mean, just heads up, these things are brutal. But got lucky. We'll click this new one in here, and then you know, get it screwed back onto the you know, roof here, and then I think we'll be good. All right, so just get this last one here buttoned up. I can actually turn some screws, otherwise you guys might have to actually do this stuff. Okay, there we go. And just like those cooking shows, the other 2 screws have already been done for me. So, all right, we're back in business there, and I think we're good. Let's just get this guy back on here and make sure it all works. All right, so we got our little guy on back here. Just clip back on there really easy. I actually use my old one because the quote-unquote new one, the one at the junkyard, looks like the guy's like chewed it out the car or something. I don't know what happened, but our mirror is not broken, and we got lights to work. So good stuff. Looks a lot better. I'm a lot happier with that. And so hopefully that was helpful, and good luck out there with your projects.